Hello, you guys. Today, let's talk about mounting your phone on your scooter. Now, this is my phone right here. It's the Samsung S8. So, if you want to use your GPS while you're driving, while you're riding, then there's two options. Either you got this or this. Yeah, I got the pink one. I supposed to buy the black one, but you know what? The pink one's like $3 off, so why not get the pink? It doesn't matter anyways. You put your phone on here, you won't see the pink anymore. Anyways, so you wanna, there's either way, there's two way for the scooter. Either you have this suction cup right here to mount your phone, which is, this way is good, but the part I don't like is you blocking the instrument, so you can't see it. So not good for me. And the second option is this thing. So this thing is either called as a handlebar mount, or maybe motorcycle handlebar mount, or bicycle mount. So basically, you put this inside the handlebar, and secure with the screw right here by turning it, and put your phone. And I like it this way because it's pretty secure when you put the phone in. So this is especially made for riding. Not like the one you buy for your car. They don't have this angle right here that's completely enclose or secure your item or your phone when you're riding, because you're riding with the scooter. It's gonna shake up a little bit, so it's best to secure your phone with full angle. Then just the phone, you got this holder on the bottom, that's it. And then you have the dial in the back that expand and contract. So my phone's not that big, and my phone is a regular S8. If you got the plus one, then it's a little bit bigger, but it should fit because this thing is planned to be pretty far, so it's good. Let's see. So let me mount in my scooter and I'll show you the end result. So basically, I got the mount in right here on the handlebar. Yeah. So I screwed in. It's nice and tight. Since they have this rubbery right here around it, so it should keep it very tight. So you won't have a problem with losing or anything like that. So it's pretty secure. So what's good about this thing is, first you can see this. See this thing, you can move 360 degrees. So what's good about it? And after you got the way you want it, and there's a dial knob right here, and then you just tie it up. Just tie it so it won't move. See, pretty secure. So you want to expand this so it fit your phone. My phone have a case, and it's still gonna fit. So they got this two dial on the back that it will trying to fit the phone. So the dial, right? So you expand it as much as you can. This look at the expansion. This is how big it is. So it might even fit like a small Amazon Fire 7-inch tablet here. So that's good. So where's my phone? Oh, here's my phone. So my phone right here, right? So basically I'm just gonna put it back in, extract it back in, so it's hold the phone tightly. So yeah, so remember I have a case on there, so it's still gonna fit. So that's just how good it is, and look how secure it is, because you got this 4 angle right here, so like ready lock it up right here. You might not see clearly, so I'll go ahead and push my scooter out a little bit so you can see better. Give me a second here. So yeah, I got my scooter out a little bit so you can see now. It's a lot easier to see it. As you can see, the phone fit perfectly in here, very secure. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. And yeah, you got a dial on the back. So this one for extend the holder, how, and then if you dial the other way, so extract it in. And this thing is for tightening up the 360s, the holder spinning 360. And you got this one for tightening up the handle, the grip on the handlebar right here. So yeah, so that's it. So you see it's nice and snuggle, and then you I don't know, maybe my hand is not that big, or maybe, I don't know, if you're a big guy, you're 200 pounds or more, I don't know if it's gonna fit, but you probably will, because it's only take you know, a little bit of space or this much, so it should be fine. I'm holding the grip is fine, and it's not gonna stand in my way or anything like that. So let's say so let me get the password in. So let me see, let me open the map. See. So let's open the map. Let's go to let's try something. Something like that. See? So now you got a perfect angle up the, if you're sitting and you're using the GPS while you're riding, it's gonna look perfect. Yeah, so basically it's pretty secure mount, and this mount is cost $7 or $8. It's perfect for GPS. It's not gonna stand in your way. You can also use this as a see, so it's not really gonna obstruct your turning or anything like that. So it's perfect. If you plan to use the GPS, I mean, this is not gonna, it's perfect because it's not gonna block your instrument in the front, so you can see what speed you're driving, and also it's not gonna obstruct anything, and tucked nicely secure on the handbar, and it's a great thing. And you can also use this as a camera if you want to use if you want to do some riding video. This is perfect for one of those face recording. So it's great, you know, you tilt this thing back and forth if you want to. See, and and it's perfect if you need to, but you know, it's more it's better just for me. I think it's just better just for using the GPS. I don't think it's good to do the front video. The front video you might want to use is this way, and it's not good because it's gonna lock your hand. So horizontal is not good. Basically the vertical is the best option, the best option for this kind of mount. And that's looking great. So hopefully you find that useful. If you need a GPS mount, definitely I recommend this over the suction cup one, because first, the suction cup is not going to be that secure, because when you're driving and shake a lot, it's just gonna lose the suction and it's gonna fall off, and maybe damage your phone in that way. If you have this, it's a guaranteed secure. It's not gonna move anywhere. It's not gonna go anywhere. So it doesn't matter how much you shake. So that's why I recommend this over the other one. Yeah. So and it's pretty cheap too. It's about $7-8. So I got this from Amazon. So hopefully you find that useful. And if you look at the front, you know, people might not noticing you even have the GPS, you know, because it's well hidden inside within. So it looked good. It looked good, and I pretty like it. I like it a lot. So, and I did some testing riding around with the GPS on it, and it worked great. So that's why I highly recommend it if you're thinking about getting a GPS kind of a holder or a mount for your scooter. So hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Alright, bye.